to load. So this is one of my drifting cars. You may recognize it off of the Falcon crew, the real drifters. I tried to copy his car. I like how it looks. So this is one of my main drifters. So yeah, I'll just show you with this one. So for this one, you can do this with any car you like. Popular is the 240 and the RX-7 are two popular drifting cars. The 240 is really cheap, so actually I'll show you that one. This is the 240. It's like the first car you get in the game, so it's really cheap. Cheap to upgrade, and parts are cheap for it too. So anyways, you come into performance to tune it for drifting, upgrade everything except for the bottom four. The bottom four are all your handling. Leave those stock, but put your power, your speed and acceleration maxed out. For looks, the only things I really worry about for looks is lower your car, because when you lower it, because if your car's up higher and you turn, it'll lean more. So if you drop it, it leans less, and it's easier to control in a slide and a turn. So lots of people say use the Rebel rims. That's what I have on right now. I'm testing them out, and I like to put my rims at a 19-inch rims, 40 profile, 265 wide tires, and drop my car. Not all the way, just what I think looks good, but I do drop my car more than 2 inches. So now we'll go and I'll show you how to drift. In this game, I've noticed that when it's raining, your car slides more. When I drift, I'm in manual. I find it's easier to control the drift because you can control your RPMs, which drifting is all about RPMs. There are several different techniques to start the drift. You tap your reverse button and your brake lights will pop on. You just tap it for a second and it'll start you into a drift. There's the e-brake. It slides into a little bit of a better slide. Some cars you just simply turn and it'll slide. There's the let go of the gas, reapply it, which is what I just did there. There's also you shift down and then shift back up. You shift down 2, shift up 1, and it'll send you into a nice slide as well. When I drift, you'll see me use all these techniques, because each technique I find handles better on different corners. So we'll go around and mess around with some corners. That was the e-brake. Probably should have slowed down for that corner. A good speed for a drift, it depends on the corner, remember, is between 80 and 100. There's some corners that are really long, so you want to go faster, and there's some that are really small, so you want to go slower. So that's the 240. It's good for smaller drifts. The Challenger is also another good vehicle to drift. Right now I'll pull out my Mustang and show you the Mustang. Mustang slides longer. That's mostly because it's got a higher speed and acceleration. Mustangs, I generally stay in third gear when I'm doing like streets drifting, and I shift down into second in my drift to help shorten it up. Parking garages are also a fun place to drift. We'll go into cockpit view here for fun. Again, I'm in manual. You control your RPMs, and it helps you slide more. If you have your RPMs high, you slide. You can keep pushing on that slide by spinning out your tires. Probably should shorten that one up a bit. So, if you want to know good spots to drift, good spots to practice your drift, the best for beginners is right here, the pier, and there's a spot right here called the capsule. It's right here. This is the capsule. It's got the really big corners, and this is the pier, smaller, tighter corners. More experienced people can come over here, and this is where the tunnel drift is. I'll show you the tunnel drift here. You're also going to find out to teleport if you don't know how. Let's see, where's the drag strip? It's easier if I just find the drag strip to get to the tunnel drift. Alright, this is the tunnel drift. This is where I go to practice my drifts, but I'm more experienced in drifting. Not a place I'd recommend for beginners because it is really tight. Not a very good drift. These are bigger corners, so when I drift these corners, generally I'm in fourth. I'm in fourth right now. This is known as the tunnel drift. I'm in fourth again. That wall. It's harder to drift in cockpit because you can't see your whole car. You only can see your front end.